Why are lemons so cunning? The truth about skipping, and taxis being bombed by seagulls. But first, ordered staplers have vanished from Totten College. We now go over to Barry Manscott.
Here we are in Totten College, where all the staplers have mystically disappeared. Staplers such as these have lost their homes. We need staplers.
Where are all the staplers?
Here is Sue. She has wished to stay anonymous for this interview. How have the missing staplers affected you?
The staplers are just burning all left now. When we gotta staple things together, we just lose everything.
Here we are in a Totten classroom. On this desk a stapler once laid, and now it does, once again. But the question is, how long will it stay there? This has been Barry Manscott, Weasel News in Totten.